All right. And there we go. There we go. That's how she's gonna sit on there. Really happy with how that turned out. So, gonna get started on the inside. This here is gonna be my limitation for my depth. I mean my bowl width. So I'm gonna trim up the, sorry about that, trim up the face here, and yeah. With us being Canadian, there's a lot of other great Canadians on YouTube. Like Camping with Steve. I don't think that's his name online, but from the Edmonton area. And then Joe Lawrence, musically talented individual. Feel free to check those two guys out. All right, so I took the bark off the backside. You'll see that in a minute. I am about probably 3/8 of an inch right here above, but right here I am 1/16 in some spots. So basically that's about it for what we want to do, because I want to leave as much of this intact as possible. As you can see, like, I've taken away quite a bit, pardon me, from this side piece. Happy to have it open like that. It's going to be a very, very nice piece. Got most of the bark off. The bark that's there, we'll probably just leave it. And beeswax time is momentarily. I have a little foam pad that I can put on my drill and put the little Velcro pads of sandpaper on. But here's a little trick. Feel free to try it. You put a little golf ball in there, hold that closed. And that way you can still have two hands on it. This is a work in progress. So just fold it around. And then you have a little bit of there you go. Better it happen to your golf ball than your finger. So I needed to do a little bit of sanding on here. And I'm gonna do that with the lathe not spinning. And we'll come back when we're ready to put the finish on. So there you can see, I'm just putting the beeswax on. I realize that you can purchase beeswax from a woodworking shop near you, but I always like getting the stuff right from the aviaries or whatever. Maybe that's not the right word. For the bee farmers. Get the honey and the beeswax all at the same time. Now, because of this sharp piece of wood here, I am not spinning the wood while putting this on, because I do not want it to damage me. So, you know, if you are going to try this at home, be careful, please. Keep your digits intact and uncut. This beeswax really brings out the delightfulness of the cherry wood. There you go. Thanks for joining us on this project. Please give us a like.